Okay, wait a minute. It's the instruction part. King's first night, Toto's doing this. What's this, Toto? Ano yan?
Kunyari sabi mo eh, kunyari eh.
I just want him to start the bike.
Okay.
This one, yeah?
Dakdak. Okay, tama ah. Ba naglalaro?
This one slowly down.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know where the brake is, yeah?
Okay, and then do I just turn it?
Slide.
I'm scared.
Go on, just let it glow first. Glide.
Oh, that way.
Okay, go on. There's King. And then go turn at the back. Turn and then brake. Oh, nandito si Pakdat. Go on, turn around. Keep going. Pakbet ba? Pakbet. Ayan si Richard. Yan si King, oh. Keep going. All the way to the top. There's King.
Oh, it's sensitive.
On his first ride on a motorbike in BF. Keep going, all the way there. Keep going. Oh, yan na si King.
Tuturo ka pa.
Ha?
Sweating!
Ano? First lesson niya? Okay.
May teacher dito na eh. May teacher dito na.
Kaya nga eh.
I feel like I'm not singing in it.
King, keep going. Don't stop when it's like that. Keep going, King. King, keep going.
It feels so sensitive when I touch it.
Sa Capistrano. Yan si King, oh. See?
You always at the right. Yeah, I know.
That's
See,
scary.
first,
You know
wait,
what it
the
reminds
last
me of?
one what you were doing, you were sitting on Toto's lap in the van.
I remember that.
But now Toto's teaching you how to ride a
Even like
motorbike.
this. King, hold it. I was like, ah! I just look up.
Ganon lang, oh. See? Okay.
So next time, that's so sensitive. Oh, wait.
Wait, you have to lock it.
Yeah. Left side.
Nice.
Ayan, tinuruan ni Toto si Dakdak. Oh, ngayon.
And 2 more bikes. And the last one with clutch. That's a
And
big
then,
bike.
that's,
Not a big bike. Just a normal bike that looks like a big bike.
ikaw marunong ka mag-motor?
Why is it not going?
Eh, ba't si Eugene hindi daw marunong mag-motor?
Natututo ko sa Siargao kaso
Oo nga pala, naka-Siargao, nakaganong ka, no? Sa likod ka, ha?
Pwede naman si Eugene na turuan.
May
Gabi ko, tsaka na. Next time.
I remember that one in the car actually.
In the
Hold
car.
hold the wheel. I was like, hold the wheel.
Tumatagaktak na yung pawis ko, ate.
Kanina nakaganon siya, sabi niya, oh, I'm so tired, wag sleeping. Okay, sleep here with mommy.
Ayan, malambing yan.
lambing
Kahit walang
na.
ano yan, hindi kakain gaano ka lalaki yan.
Mga anak ko hindi.
Makita kaya, yakapin ka.
Sabi niya,
You always be with
hindi siya nahiya daw maglambing.
Hindi, hawakan niya yung nanay niya.
Yeah, the friend.
Kanina kinatakanta ko siya. Sleep, my darling baby. Have you heard that song? Kaya niya, no.
I hear the basket.
Ano, may nagbabasketball eh. Nakakaano naman, ano ba yan? Bakit kami hindi pwede?
Do it again.
Oh, ano yan, Uncle Drew? Yung favorite move.
Makikita niya.
Live, nakita ko yan sa ate mami mo eh.
Jerome, ganyan.
Roblox game.
Kaya may pawis ko, lumalabas na oh. Makmak oh.
Wanna try?
Oh?
You know how to bike?
May bola ka? Dakdak?
Wala kang bola ni Inong eh.
Saan tayo? Bibili tayo. Sabi mo meron eh.
Meron po.
Meron ka?
Sa bahay.
Pang indoor, hindi outdoor.
Ay, punta tayo sa bahay
Hindi ko pa nagagamit
Nice
eh.
na.
Mamaya. Sige. Mamaya.
Yung bola... Yung bola kasi Ninong, sobrang di namin ginamit. Pinarawan niya na lang. Yun na, lumalambot na.
Baka naman hindi bolang bilog yun. Bili na lang tayo. Ang dami kong bola sa bahay.
Ano pa yun Ninong, narawan lang. Di na
Sayang naman.
Yung official ball ng... Ay wala, ano lang. Ayaw nga yun.
Oh.
Molte.
Gentle, ikaw, magra-ride ka? Ha? You know how to ride a bike?
Sabi niya kanina, sinong nano daw siya, takot daw siya dito po.
Saan?
It's my turn. Traffic eh.
Kita niyo yung mga kamote riders kanina, oh. Sabi niya, hindi ko pa nga kinikwento yung nangyari dito, eh.
Sabi ni King, I can't drive here. It's crazy. It's crazy. Sabi ni King, oh, you see, I really can't drive here. It's so crazy. Pag nagko-commute ka ngayon, kawawa. No?
Sabi nga ni Toto, nasa traffic light kami, siguro mga 20 sila, oh. Ang dami, oh. Talaga nagkalat sila. Nandiyan si King and Gentle, oh.
Family ako eh. Dapat nag-isip tayo.
Okay.
We're trying to find a burger machine.
You can do Uber Eats now, King.
I remember, burger machine.
Ah, yes.
Had that in a while.
Dun sa pinaloka namin kanina. No, KD?
Pero iba na yung lasa eh.
Diba na?
Alat na, sobrang alat na yung lasa.
Para matanggaan lang ni Gentle.
Here, there's no time. Always, always, always.
Okay, sige. Meron akong balak, sandali.